Okay, here we go. We're gonna start the engine, let it run for just a few seconds here. Okay, so that was enough to allow the oil pressure to build up in the vehicle. Now what we're going to do is pull the dipstick out, and this is how we actually tell how much oil is in the engine. And so this can be difficult. Let's see if we can actually get a good, very difficult to see on this one, but there is a section that's got some X's on it. Are we able to see that there? No? How about if I bring this up? Able to? No, it's not enough light. Let's see if we can get in the light here. Are you able to see these little X's right here? All right, so I'm sorry, but I can see it, but the camera is just not picking it up. There's a little section here that shows us where the oil level is supposed to be, and in fact, the oil level is supposed to be to this part of the dipstick. So if the oil, we know the oil level is gonna be low, we just don't know how much, and then we're gonna add oil to bring it up to the full mark. So let's see if we can do that. Sorry, our lighting is not perfect out here. Well, look at that. I guess it does take exactly, oh, we're half a quart short. So I'm looking at this oil level. I don't know if I get enough light in here, if you can see that right there. Are you able to see some of that? There's a little, it needs to come up just a little bit more on the dipstick, which means I have to add more oil. So I need to add about half a quart to get it to come up to the full mark. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm wiping the dipstick back off. I'm gonna let that sit here. Take the oil fill cap back off. Okay, and I got this sitting in a rag. I don't want any oil on the engine, so anytime I'm taking this in and out, I wanna put this in the rag. Okay, so. And if you look here on the side of our oil container, you can see it's graduated, so we can see how much we're putting in. So I want to go to about half the bottle. A little bit more. Okay, that's about half the bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna let all that stuff sit. I'm gonna come here, dip the dipstick one more time. And let's see where we're at. All right, cool. So what we've done now is we've got the oil to the full mark. If you can zoom in on that and see it. So you can see that the oil now is to the full mark on the dipstick. That's perfect. Wipe this guy back off, and we can put that back. All right, again, we want to make sure we don't spill any oil, so I got the rag right here for the funnel. And this guy, we do not want to forget, this is the oil fill cap. If you leave this off, what it's going to do is it's going to throw oil underneath all the vehicle and make a real big mess. So I'll make sure that's back on. And now we're done. So, and of course, while doing this, we want to make sure that we don't have any oil leaks under the vehicle. So the next step, this vehicle happens to have an oil pan or a belly pan that we took on and off camera. A lot of vehicles don't have that, so the next step would be to start the vehicle, let it run, and make sure that there are no more oil leaks, and we've already done that off camera. All right, thank you.